Hi everyone, I will show you how to unfriend on Facebook. First of all, go to your profile and go to about, then scroll down and open your friend's profile. Now you can see the friends option right here, then tap it. Now you can see the unfriend option in the bottom, then tap it and tap to confirm option. Now this Facebook user is not able in your friend list. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.